beautiful friends, welcome to your home decor channel, Mimi's Glam and Designs. Today we will be creating a winter holiday tablescape. I hope you all enjoy it, and with nothing else to say, let's begin. I started placing my centerpiece base. This is like a mini runner that I picked up from Home Goods last 2 years ago, I believe, and it was $30. It is a beaded, and I absolutely love the winter feeling of it. As a base and centerpiece, I'll be using this ginger jar that I DIY. I'll be sharing that with you guys later on. Then I use this kind of like cotton bowl picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. The bottom placemats that you guys see here, it is from Walmart. The other one is from Home Goods. And then these charger plates are from Amazon, and also you can find them in eFavor Mart. I'll go ahead and leave you guys a link on the description box below. I picked up these gorgeous glasses that you guys see here. They are Glam, and they are from Ross, as well as the champagne flutes. When it came down to the napkins, these are from eFavor Mart as well, and they are so affordable, you guys. They were like $5 for, I believe, $3. I don't remember exactly the price right now, but I'll go ahead and link it for you guys. It was super affordable. They have all kinds of colors. I have these ones in different colors. This is the taffeta white napkin, and of course I'm using these gorgeous brooches napkin rings from Totally Dazzle. I really love these ones. Have the white and the silver, so it goes perfectly with this tablescape. I went ahead and added these pines that you guys see here. They are all from Target, and I have them in different sizes. Then I went ahead and finalized this tablescape with this gorgeous ice bucket that I picked up at Home Goods, and also this beautiful cocktail set. It is from GALLERIE on a Dollar Tree tray. And I really love how everything turned out, you guys. Everything is so sparkly. I love the colors. It's very neutral, and it's perfect for this winter season. What about you guys? When are you taking your holiday decor off? Leave me a comment down below if you like this tablescape and what's your favorite part. Like I mentioned before, you guys, you can get this set of plates and also the charger plates that are a GALLERIE dupe. But these ones are plastic. You can wash them. They're easy to handle, and they're only $18 for like 6 at eFavor Mart. I'll go ahead and link it for you guys also below. And the best part is that you can also save 15% off using my code Mimi's Glam and Design. I'll leave you guys the details also on the description box below with all the links to these items. And if you are enjoying this video, I would love to have you on my channel. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you here. I would also love to have you on my Instagram at Mimi's Designs, at Totally Glam Decor, and Facebook at Mimi's Designs. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in once again. This is Mimi. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.